Arlington's adjustable steel slider bar delivers the easy, neat way to mount single or two-gang plastic and most metal boxes between studs with non-standard spacing. SliderBar looks great and saves about 20 minutes per box over cutting, nailing, and placing extra 2x4s to fill in the cavity. SL18 and SL24 are pre-bent. SL18F and SL24F are shipped flat with a box mounting bracket supplied as a separate piece that you attach yourself. The 18-inch slider bar adjusts to fit between studs spaced 12 to 18 inches apart, while the 24-inch slider bar fits 15 to 24-inch spacing. Slider bar has preformed pilot holes that allow positioning of one or multiple boxes anywhere along the bar. You can even mount a single gang box vertically or horizontally, or face it in opposite directions on a 6-inch stud. SliderBar box kits include single or two-gang plastic boxes with installed NM cable connectors. SliderBar and plastic boxes with preformed screw holes are also sold separately. SliderBar is easy to install in non-standard stud cavities. The interlocking tab stop prevents accidental disassembly, and bending guides on the bracket ends assure proper positioning on the stud. Bend bracket ends at the 2.5-inch mark for 1/2 or 5/8 inch wallboard. If using the flat slider bar, attach box mounting clip to a metal box, slide it onto the bar, bend the brackets, and bend again along the 2.5-inch mark. Now it's ready for installation on the stud. Determine where to place slider bar and attach it to the stud. The box is pre-mounted in slider bar kits. Position the box within the cavity and tighten the screws. If desired, install additional plastic or metal boxes on the bar. The mounting clip stays in place. That's convenient. Preformed holes in our plastic boxes make attachment easy. Save time and money with adjustable slider bar and get a great-looking box installation in a non-standard stud cavity.